Hi, welcome to our podcast, your space for soul deep astrology that meets real world living. Today, we're diving into the Virgo in the 11th house, a placement that blends practicality with purpose and service with social vision. If you have this in your natal chart, or you're curious how it plays out in others, you're in the right place. Let's explore what happened when the analytical mind of Virgo meets the visionary world of the 11th house. So, 11th house essentials. So, the 11th house in astrology is often called the house of friends and future. It rules social groups and communities, long term goals and ideals, networking and collective movements, humanitarian work and the internet, and the people you attract into your orbit, often outside family or romance. It's also where we look to understand our vision for the future and how we connect with others to bring it into being. So, Virgo archetype overview. Now, Virgo, this is an earth sign ruled by Mercury. It's associated with precision, analysis, and logic, health and healing, service and self improvement, routines, systems, and craftsmanship, a desire to be useful and efficient. Virgo isn't just the perfectionist, it's the editor, the healer, the humble helper. Virgo energy sees the flaws not to judge but to fix. So, what happens when this detail oriented sign lands in the collaborative, future oriented 11th house? So, the core themes of Virgo in the 11th. Here's where it gets really interesting. Virgo in the 11th house means your approach to community in long term dreams is through service, structure, and thoughtful contribution. Some core themes include selective with friends. Virgo in the 11th tend to be very discerning in social circles. These folks may not have a huge group of friends, but the ones they do have are deeply valued for being intelligent, helpful, and practical. They may attract friends who are healers, and analysts, or those involved in service work. Wants to improve the collective, these individuals aren't in social groups just for fun. They want to contribute. They may volunteer, organize, or take on logistical roles in group settings. This is the person making spreadsheets for the nonprofit team or quietly coordinating the neighborhood food drive. Critical but constructive. Virgo in the 11th can spot what's not working in a group system and offer solutions. Sometimes this can make them seem overly critical, especially if the group isn't ready for feedback. But their intentions are often to improve, not to tear down. Practical visionaries. The 11th house is about the future, and Virgo brings a practical plan to that dream. These individuals may have futuristic goals but insist on step by step methods. No fluff, no fantasy, just a detailed vision board and a 5 year plan. Tech, health, service based networks, depending on other placements. These Virgo might thrive in online communities focused on wellness, systems thinking, herbalism, education, coding, or healthcare. So, the shadow side and growth paths. Like all placements, Virgo in the 11th house has its growth edges. The shadow expression is overanalyzing social dynamics, struggling to trust group processes, perfectionism in teamwork, expecting others to meet your exact standards, feeling like you have to earn your place in a group by being useful. So, the growth path is learning to let go of control and allow imperfection, trusting that your presence is enough. You don't always have to do to belong, using your skills to uplift others without becoming the group's fixers, embracing collaboration even when things get messy or inefficient. So, career and life purpose insights. This placement often points toward a career or purpose that involves community organizing or nonprofit management, holistic health, especially in group settings, data analysis for social causes, environmental or public health advocacy, UX design, or systems building for human-centered tech, teaching or mentoring in a structured, detailed way. There's often a helper archetype in this placement, but one that thrives when they can systematize their help and see a measurable outcome. So the famous example and also the transit, famous people with Virgo in the 11th house may include meticulous artists, humanitarian strategists, or organizer who prepare to stay behind the scenes. While birth times are crucial here, think of people who combine order and service in collective settings. If you're experiencing a transit to your 11th house in Virgo, especially by Saturn or Uranus, you might find your social circles tightening or your goals shifting to align more with your values of integrity, usefulness, and healing. So, I can give you a career tips for Virgo in the 11th house. So, the career examples is service-oriented work with collective impact. You thrive in careers where your practical skills benefit a group, cause, or community. You're not drawn to flashy positions. Your focus is on being useful in creating tangible improvements. Organized, analytical, and detail-driven. You prepare structured environment where you can manage systems, perfect processes, and improve efficiency. Your attention to details makes you an asset in collaborative work, especially in back-end roles that keep things running smoothly. Community plus system equals to sweet spot. You're excellent at building and maintaining the infrastructure behind collective movements, whether in tech, healthcare, education, or nonprofit work. Your work supports others, often from behind the scenes. So, okay, ideal career fields is nonprofit management and operations, especially in roles that involve coordinating volunteers, improving processes, or handling logistics for social causes. Health and wellness, community oriented, public health educator, holistic nutritionist, wellness program coordinator, or working in a clinics that serve underserved communities. Education and academic support, curriculum developer, education analyst, or administrator in schools, especially those that focus on reform or innovation. Data plus tech for good, data analysts, UX researchers, or project manager in platforms that aim to improve lives. Example Gratia is apps for mental health, sustainable living, or education. Environmental or social planning, sustainability coordinator, urban planner, or policy analyst working toward clean system and healthier communities. Editorial work for content creation or content creation. Technical writer, copy editor, or instructional designer, especially for educational or health related content. Workplace style, prepared clarity, order, and consistency, often acts as the fixer or the one who refines ideas into executable steps. May be shy in large teams but deeply valued for reliability and competence. Needs purpose behind the work, ideal contributing to something bigger than personal gain. So yes, so if you have got Virgo in the 11th house, here are few journal prompts to explore. How do I define being useful in a group setting? Do I feel safe showing up imperfectly in community? What system can I build or refine to support the future envisions? Am I collaborating or controlling? Okay, now thanks for tuning in to this episode of our forecast regarding the Virgo in the 11th house. If this resonated, share it with your Virgo friends or that one person in your group chat who always volunteers to organize that spreadsheet. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment on the comment section, and until next time, stay grounded and visionary.